You'll be the life of the party.
Yo, just vibe with me. Feel me? Feel me? Where you been, baby? Yeah, designer paint colors, brother, we ain't brothers. My bitch, but we ain't lovers. Take cover. Great with numbers, but my accountant be pissing. Cause all the money we missing. Chubby pockets, 3D vision still. All the fishes on the Ferris wheel looking fine. Yeah, we took our time. Lime chips and wine. Billy Madison, newly mags and Ativan. These pretty ladies got me laying on my back again. Relaxing, straight burning maxing, Siggy ashing, 5 Valiums like the Jacksons. Bless, my heart's beating out my chest, floral pattern on the dress. Yes, hop in the Jeep and jet. Feel like Prince on this shit with the mink coat. Sprinkles on the ice cream, you'll let your bitch know. Danny back in town, happiness a frown. Black wedding gown, baby, let's get it now.
Embittered and low, and filled with regret. Sad songs just to forget. Black out the sun, you're empty till the end. Writings on the wall, you faded again.
Yeah, she used to write me letters, I used to buy her flowers. I used to do drugs all night and she would cry for hours. It was attraction that brought us together. It was sex, watching the weather, whatever bitch she did it better. I was lost at the time and I still wander. And I still wanna, just a little longer. And I still talk about I wish you cared more. Getting head in the car at the airport, but she flew away. What should I do today? Weatherman, the sky blue and gray, you wrong again. Now I'm losing touch with all my friends. They keep asking me how you feeling, but it all depends. Why you asking? Why you talking, bitch? I see your lips move, but all I hear is Charlie Brown teacher shit. Sorry, baby, but I gotta go. See you when you get back. Nah, sincerely, Dan.
Embittered and low, and filled with regret. Sad songs to forget. Black out the sun, you're empty till the end. The writings on the wall.